USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find some links. The first link says swing like a pro. So click on the first link, come to this page, watch these setups, how we made this kind of money. Okay, so go and watch these videos on this page and join the program if that helps you. Now, coming back to the second one saying book consultation. So you can talk to me if you want to, book the consultation, check the brokers. And the third one is absolutely free. Go and join my free Telegram, okay? Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, well, where is my chart? Weekly, we are bullish. You see, we are bullish weekly. Daily is what? Daily is still above the EMA, but this is war going on, okay? Where's my line? That's right here. This is my box, you see? Ta-da! Iran, USA fighting with each other, okay? That impacts Japanese economy. Japanese economy is directly dependent on US economy. If US economy is effed up, Japan economy is effed up too, okay? That is why war, zigzag, 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 consolidation. Nobody's dominating. Dollar is not able to dominate yen. Yen is not able to dominate dollar, okay? That's why. So personally, no trade in USDJPY. I'm not trading USDJPY. We have too many pairs to trade. You see, I have 25 pairs to trade, by the way. Anyways, so USDJPY, personally, I'm not looking for any trades, but we are above the EMI. 4 hour is what? 4 hour is still we are at the EMI. Okay, now we have to wait and watch. This high breaks, we go long. Otherwise, if this closes below the EMI, we might look for shorts. Okay, so long will be after this high is broken. Okay. Anyways, USDJPY personally don't trade them. Go and trade this GBP USD, Euro USD. Go and watch my other videos, okay? And if you want precise entry on all the pairs, because I look into more than 20 charts and I find high quality setups, okay? And that's what you can see when you click on the first link below and watch these videos, all right? So go and join this if you want to, and subscribe, like, blah, 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 and I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.